Hi my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about the sticky rice. But before I begin, my amigos and amigas, I like to shout out to my family in the Philippines. Shout out to you guys, and also my brother who take a video regarding the sticky rice on how we made it back home. So my amigos and amigas, watch this entire video. It's about the tradition back home in the Philippines to my hometown in the province of Pangasinan on how we do the traditional sticky rice on it. So watch this video, my amigos and amigas. During New Year's Eve, my amigos and amigas, we Filipinos tend to celebrate more abundantly or more elaborately. We also follow some superstitions or some belief every New Year's Eve. Number one that I know is preparing 12 round fruits or 12 coins in our table. Why? Because it represents, by the way, the circles, gold and silver, that attracts prosperity and fortune to us. And number two traditions that I know is having a noodles in our table for preparation. Any noodles, of course, it's cooked, by the way. We will have a long life and good health. That's the tradition that I know, having noodles. And the number three that I know, a tradition that's very popular, is wearing a polka dots during New Year's Eve, because as they say, good luck, and you will make a wish 3 times and your wish will come true. And number four, traditions that don't prepare some fish or chicken, because you will have a hardship or poverty the entire year. I don't know, my amigos and amigas, it depends upon you if you believe that. And lastly, the one that's so famous that I know is preparing a sticky rice in our celebration during New Year's Eve. Why, my amigos and amigas? Because having sticky rice represents a closely need of the family being bound together, and stickiness is like a magnet that attracts good fortune that stays with a person. Glutinous rice are always present during New Year's celebration, my amigos and amigas. Okay, so sticky rice, aka in our province, is suman, of course. In preparing a suman, by the way, my amigos and amigas, you need a coconut leaves, and I don't know what do you call that. It's not coconut leaves, it's a palm leaves, by the way, my amigos and amigas. Palm leaves and some sticks, some tiny sticks, and also a sugar molasses. Sugar molasses, by the way, my amigos and amigas, in our terms we call it Sinakob in our province, Pangasinan, or in Ilocos, Sinakob or panutsa and kulitipot and or taga-pulot. That's what the Google said, because I searched it. Okay, so the one that we make for a sauce is called panutsa, by the way. So in this video, my amigos and amigas, I'm gonna show you how to make the traditional sumans in our province, and also the sauce in it. It's called the Sinakob panutsa. Okay.
언젠가 그려왔던 미래가 so high. 언제부터인지 곁에 내가 so nice. Oh la 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 la.
the video, my amigos and amigas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something, or tell me, do you have any more ideas regarding the New Year's Eve tradition or superstition? Feel free to comment in my section box, okay? So to my future amigos and amigas, to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye my amigos and amigas, keep supporting me!